Uyghur cuisine is a Muslim Chinese food. Uyghur people are a Muslim ethnic minority in China. We'll be making like hand-pulled noodles, lamb kebabs, spices, and chilies. Let's go check it out.
So we are the Uyghur. We have more than 30 million population in the northwestern part of China. But still, a lot of people, they don't know us. So we're eating the halal food. And then I want to introduce my culture to the other people. This is the best way, I think.
At first glance, people relate this to Chinese food, but it's its own entity. What differentiates in the ingredients?
You know, we're the center of the ancient like Silk Road. We have more than 5,000 years cultural there. All the spices we learn from the both sides. Far east to the far west, it's combination. We have a noodle. It's maybe some of them come from the China. The kebab, SAMBOZA come from the west, like Iran, some Arabic. You can see like every country's thing is in our food actually.
Represented in that. So all the noodles are made by hand?
Yeah, all the noodles made by hand.
Stretched.
Yeah.
So the dough, you make it this every day fresh?
Yeah, every day fresh. You have to make the oil on it. It cannot be stick together.
That was so sick. That's a noodle right there. I love the chewiness of it. The texture is beautiful.
You try?
Okay, let's try it.
Try.
This is so cool. So put here?
Yes.
Yep.
Good.
Brush
Yes,
it.
yes.
And then pull.
Lift it up like this.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, I broke
That's
it.
okay, looks nice.
My noodles broke.
Closer first.
Oh, okay.
Not in the scratch.
Ah!
That's okay.
Okay, maybe a couple more years. You guys are amazing artists. So we saw the noodles, and then now we're gonna put all that together.
It's called like big plate chicken.
Okay.
In China, it's called DAPANJI.
And it starts to go back the influence of the other side of the road.
Yeah.
Oil, cotton oil.
Cotton oil, cotton seed oil, okay.
Sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah.
So that's gonna caramelize and make the color much more deep. Oh, look at the color immediately.
This is the most important.
This
part.
is the
recipe
alright.
from his father.
Yeah. 22 ingredients.
22 different ingredients. Okay, you text me that later. Okay. And then it's mixed with a little bit of oil or water.
A little bit of water and garlic, a little ginger.
Who came up with this recipe?
My father.
Okay.
The recipe I asked him maybe 2 months. Just give me.
Oh, he don't want to
Yeah,
give it
he don't
to
wanna
you.
give me.
Well, thank you, Dad. Dried chilies.
Yeah.
Woo! Uyghur cuisine typically spicy.
Yes, spicy. Yeah.
Very okay. Then the peppers is just gonna brighten that up with some freshness. The tomato puree mixed with chili, black vinegar.
Yeah, black vinegar.
I smell all the chilies and then like all the scallions and the freshness goes in at the end. DAPANJI.
Big plate chicken.
When people migrate to a spot, the first thing that they want to remember back home is the food. So the restaurant is always the gathering place.
Starting like 1980s, 90s, some of our people starts come because they want to study, they want to learn. For the school, they come in here. And then we don't have that much population here. In the whole Bay Area, maybe 200 or 300. It's difficult to live without your community here. But the good thing is that after we open the restaurant, they always keep coming.
Yeah.
Thank God every day I can see my people here.
I'd move to Oakland just for this dish.
Come on in, please.
There's a little bit thinner noodles.
Yeah, you can try
And
it.
then stir fried in. And again, spices.
We call it LENGMEN.
Look at that. Like, the noodles. It's so amazing. There's nothing compared to hand-pulled noodles, the texture of it. This is the kebab, lamb kebab that's
Yes,
been like marinated in all those different spices.
Yes, you have to marinate it like almost 6 hours, 5-6 hours.
You said you get some of your spices even from.
From our area.
It's so tender. It's a great way to introduce people into lamb. And these are your
it's,
dumplings,
Yeah, similar, but it's in the oven.
topped off with sesame seeds.
Yeah.
It's flaky yet chewy.
Yeah.
Not immersion. But you can see the difference of what side of the country it came from. The kebab is more Middle Eastern, the noodles are more Chinese, but
Yeah.
so when you bite into the samsa, it's directly in the middle.
In China, you know, it's like a big population there, and there's like more than 50 other minority. We're one of them. I told them I'm from China. They look in my face, they don't believe in. I think I'm the Uyghur, they don't know. It's difficult to introduce yourself, you know.
Right.
In the Turkic system, there's like Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Uzbek, Turkish, like many variety, the nations there. We have a big land there. It's like 20% of the China land. So I don't feel I'm a minority there actually. But when I moved to the inner land of China, like you can feel you're a real minority there actually. It's difficult now, for the hard time for our people in the area. Here in the Bay Area, I am minority, but the Bay Area is full of other nations here, so it's nice for me actually. I like it. Everybody come from everywhere. Our major customers is the Asian customers, Chinese mostly, because they know our food. But in the area, there's a lot of Muslim community here, like Afghan, Pakistani, there's India also. A lot of people, they start to know
So
us.
5,000 years of history right in your food. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you very much. You're here. And we're handling like this normally in my country.
Right on. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sheldon, and then hope to see you again.
Right on.
Yeah, it's jello.
Yeah. All those hours of slow cooking.